loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Omomearele. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be part of this amazing family. Also, if you're returning OG, like I said, OG, I love you guys so much. So guys, I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. It's December period, and as you know, Nigeria's weather can be really weird in December. So it's really hot, really dry, and I've been a little bit under the weather. Well, I've been putting out content still, but today was really different. I woke up really tired, exhausted. So I decided to just do an unboxing video of the products I got from the makeup fair. I realized I didn't do an unboxing video. So let's do the unboxing of the products I got at the makeup fair. So guys, people have been raving about the Beauty by AD foundation, the Lock Skin foundation. So I had to cop myself one. It was on sale. I think I got this for like 9,100. It was supposed to be like 10,000 or like 12,000. And this is their concealer. So I got the foundation and the concealer. I think concealer was like 4,900 because I know I bought for them 15,000. I know guys, that was a lot of money, but I've heard a lot of review about this foundation and the concealer, so I decided to just buy it and try it out. And when I was buying the foundation, I made sure I had it tested on my skin because I can't be hearing stories that do not touch, because it's not gonna touch. So this is how the bottle looks. It is so fine. The bottle has this matte feel to it. It's so gorgeous, guys. I don't know if this thing is auto-focusing, but this is the bottle. It is so fine, so gorgeous. It has this matte finish, which I love. Oof, oof, oof. But my fear is, if it stains, will it clean off? I don't know. And I love the fact that it has a pump. Brands, you need to start using pumps. I don't have the energy. You need to start using pumps for your foundation. I need to do a pump on my hand. Ooh. Oh. Okay, it looks good. Let me blend it out with the brush. So this is where the foundation is, and this is my skin. I think it's a very perfect match, so I'm really grateful for that. So this is the bad. Ooh, okay, bad. Beauty by AD bad. Mad. Beauty by AD bad. It is the foundation in 09. So if you're my skin tone and you want to get, that is it. So I'm going to do like a whole full review when I try it out, but that will be on my Instagram page, so go and follow me on Instagram at Omomearele. So guys, the concealer looks like this. It also has that matte finish. So basically the products are the product packaging is the same, the black top and the matte finish on the products, which is cute. So I got the concealer too in 09. Let me swatch it beside the foundation. And it has the regular wand. It has a regular wand. So I put it here. Let me blend it out. Okay, you see, this is a concealer. But it's cute. It will work. So I have no problem with that. So guys, I got myself the classic super old lash glue. It is the best lash glue I've used. I'm not even going to lie about it. That's why I keep buying more and more and more. I have finished using the last two I used, so I just have to get two more. This is hands down the best concealer I have ever used. I've used a couple of brands, and this one right here, I keep going back for more. The only problem with the lash glue is it dries out quick, and it's a big problem for me. Very big problem. Blot Beauty came out with a new skincare line, Blot Skin, and I just had to buy one of their products to try it out. I love buying products to try out, so if they are good, I can always add it to my skincare regimen. So I got this Restore Beauty oil from them. and they look so good, guys. You can see it look, I don't know if you can really see it, but it looks really beautiful. And I did a test of their product in the store, and then it dries out really nicely. So you're supposed to use this before your makeup, so I'm going to be using that before my makeup. And it's so gorgeous, guys. The gold particles are just dancing inside. It's so beautiful to watch. Okay, and the CEO gave me a present. Gave me their Hydra Max Plus Active Nano Lotion. This is it. It comes in these really cute bottles. I love the fact that they're transparent, so I can see what's inside. That's so cute. So I don't know what this does, but I'm seeing Hydra Max, so I'm thinking it's like an hydrating kind of lotion. So my fellow content creator slash friend was raving about this Blossom makeup lash glue. I just had to get my hands on it. And from the description, apparently it is really good for strip lashes, and it has this thing, this tool to help you apply the lash glue. I'm very interested to try it out, so as soon as I try it out, trust me, I'm gonna come back with a review, because I've never actually seen this tool before. This is the first time, and I'm really excited to try it out. So guys, so I also got this foundation. I love trying out foundations because I also tried this out there. So this is the Blossom Makeup Zero Flaw Soft Matte Liquid Foundation. It's oil control, full coverage, lightweight, and long wear. So guys, let me just open it and do like a swatch of the product. So guys, I like the packaging. It looks weird, but it's cute. It looks weird, but it's cute. So also as a pump, brands have been doing so well adding pumps to their foundation. So I'm going to be trying it on this hand. Ooh, their little is a lot. The pump control, not as good as the Beauty by AD's pump control, because this is a lot of products. So guys, this is the foundation. It's not a bad match. It's definitely not a bad match for my skin. This is the Beauty by AD's own. This is like a perfect match, but this is not a bad match. If I feel like it's too light, I can always go in and add like a dark foundation to it. But I will try it out so you can see it on my face later. So guys, my favorite lash brand has lash glue, so I just had to get my hands on it to try it out and see if it works for me. And then one thing I love about this lash glue is the fact that it is black. My first ever lash glue that was black was the Duo. I don't even know Duo. Duo is like one of the most popular lash glue ever. That was my first brand I ever got that was black, and I loved it because I was using it as a liner and as a lash glue, so it was really good. But this one is black, so I can't wait to try it. I think I should just do a swatch of it to see it. It is cute. It looks very pigmented, so it's really, I feel like it's gonna work. So yesterday in my vlog, I showed you I went to Essenza. I don't know why I entered that store, guys. I have no idea, but I did. Then I tried on the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm obsessed, but it's really expensive, 30 something thousand. And I'm like, ooh. So I saw this and I immediately fell in love. When I tried it, immediately fell in love because it was making my skin so beautiful, guys. I fell in love. Ooh, I love the fact that it has a matte finish to it. Ooh, Fenty did good. This is so fine, and this is my best color. Purple. Ooh, it looks so fine. Ooh, and it smells floral. It has this clean, you know, that clean smell. I can't really smell much, guys. My nose is blocked. But this is it. I'm obsessed. I don't want to put my hands inside yet because I have not done like an unboxing video for it, so I'm not doing that. So guys, this is what I got. So guys, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you the things I got from the makeup fair and what I got from Essenza. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.